The rain was falling soft that day. Your smile came gently through the gray. I saw the light in your sweet eyes, like sunshine hiding in the skies. When your smile met the rain, love came softly back again. Every drop began to shine when your heart was close to mine. We walked beneath the cloudy blue. The world felt new with only you. Your hand was warm, your voice was low, and love began to bloom and grow. When your smile met the rain, love came softly back again. Every drop began to shine when your heart was close to mine. Though years may pass and skies may clear, that rainy day still feels so near. In every song, in every view, the rain brings back my love for you. When your smile met the rain, my heart found spring again.